Okay, a quick reminder. I replaced on this engine. It's a D16Y7. I replaced the belt. I replaced this timing belt, replaced it, crank, turned on, it was running. And I had a misfire on this right here, which is number 3. So after that, I replaced the cables, spark plugs. And after I did that, it cranked but no start. And and I didn't mix the cables, I didn't mix nothing. Like I said, then I took out the spark plugs on all 4. And number 4 came out, the tip came out black. And all 3 came out white because they're brand new. But that one came out black. Then on the, right here, on the injection system, I noticed white smoke coming out. And I'm not a mechanic or whatever, but I went on my own and tried to see if I could make it work. But like I said, I noticed I had a white smoke was coming out of this. I opened this, took it out, and I opened the throttle, and white smoke was coming out. Like I said, and now the car's not. It cranks, but it doesn't turn on. And any tips that you guys can let me know. I'm thinking in taking it to a mechanic, whether getting a swap, or it could be easy fix. But from my case, I don't got the tools, all the time to do that. So I'm just letting you guys know. This is my first time having happened this to me, to my car. It's a Honda Civic hatchback, 99, 5-speed. And I was driving on the freeway, going 70 miles per hour. Then I noticed the car losing power. Then after I stopped, I cranked it, didn't turn on. Then that's when I went on my own and replaced the position sensor. I replaced the timing belt, and I aligned the cam gears, top and bottom. Crank it, started. I was saying then I had a misfire on that one. And after that, I replaced the sparks and cables, brand new. And now the car's not starting. And when it tries to start, I don't know, I think it could be no compression, or I don't know, but it's not getting nothing. It just like cranks and tries to start, but nothing. And if you guys can give me any tips, to see what's going on. It could be either a belt valve. Like I said, I know I'm new to this, so you guys can give me some tips.